Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Outlaw Midas from Fortnite Lawless. I'm going to go and draw a body. His hand's going to be coming out here, sort of up in the air. So let's go to the top. Let's do his hair. So it's got a cool little bit of hair coming down this way first of all. So I'm just going to put a dot there. Just going to bring my pen out and curve it around here. And come back up this way. Leave a little gap there. Come out this way down like that, okay? So a cool little kick of hair at the front. Let's do the back of his hair. So his hair sort of sweeping behind his head. So from about there, I'm gonna bring my pen up, then I'm gonna go across and then downwards like that. Got an ear going on here, so I'm going to draw in a little curved ear there, maybe just a hint of the inner part of the ear there. And let's just cap that off. So I've got a bit of a flick of hair going back, a few little strands of hair there. The hairline comes down here, back to the ear, and again we've got a few little flicks of hair coming back there. Let's have a look at the chin area. So the jaw sort of comes down from the ear. About here, we're going to come down this way. Jaw area to the chin down about here. Come inwards about there. Then what we're going to do, we're going to come upwards this way. So bring your pen up to cheekbone and in up to where the eyebrow area would be. And I'm going to do the forehead, just going up into that area there. Okay, while I'm there, let's do some features. So let's get into the middle. Down a bit, we've got the nose, so draw a little curve there. Just come in where the nostril is, like that. A couple of lines up this way now. So line up this way, and line up there, like that. Just to show the sort of the bridge of the nose. And then we've got brow going up this way, slightly diagonal, and the eye in there. I'm going to draw a hint of an eye there, and then we've got the scar going up, so a nice hint of a scar going up this way, coming down, like that. On the right hand side here, I'm going to go from about this point, I'm going to come upwards, down like that, maybe just draw a bit more of a brow in there, and then underneath it, I'm going to do a nice little curve here, and underneath that we've got another little slight oval. Just going to pop a circle in there, and then just a little bit of a pupil going on that area there. A little bit of a chiseled cheekbone there. Then as we come into here, just a little curve there for a lip, maybe the bottom part of the lip as well, maybe just a little hint of sort of facial feature around there, sort of coming down from the cheekbone, like that. Okay, let's do the neck. So the neck is coming down here. We've actually got some more hair along the back here, so I'm going to do a little curve of hair here, a little flick out of hair there, maybe another little flick out there, and then we've got a neck area here. Just under the chin, we've got the next part of it there. Maybe just a little bit of muscle just either side of that, bit of detail. Now I've done that, I'm just going to do a few little flicks of hair coming out, curve it around and out around here, and a few little flicks there. It's got a chain around his neck this way, so it's like a little bullet at the end of it. So just going to draw a little wobbly area for a chain, go all the way up to over to the neck area, and then back down like that, and around. And like I say, a little curve here. I'm going to draw a little bullet, two little lines coming down, and then we'll just make a little cone shape at the end there. Either side of this, it's got his holsters and his vest. So on the right hand side, I'm going to come outwards here where there's a holster, just come in a little bit there. Going to draw in nice little curve coming down this way, and there's another one from here. The holster is, and then there's another one coming down kind of this way here. Now we can draw a little sort of holster and gun area. So the end of it is here, so I'm just going to draw a little curve out, curve around, out here, down, along and down. Just make it look a bit 3D. Let's just draw an edge on it there and there. And then we've got a strap, sort of this point here, a little circle in there. Then the actual holster itself, sort of come around where that gun area is, curve it around like that. Just a little bit of detail in there, like that. Cool. Now we've got that in. Let's have a look at the front area here. So again, on this shoulder, going down this way, we've got another sort of strap. So it comes out here, comes down the front of the chest, and then what it does, it comes back upwards this way. And there's a little hint of a shoulder here. And coming down here, we've got the main sort of upper body and torso. So right here, the chest area there, come back down to the rib cage, and then we'll just curve it down where the torso is. The back area here probably comes down from maybe about this point here. And we've got a belt area along here, so I'm just going to do a nice sort of curved area across that there, just to block it off. Right, let's go down a bit further. We've got the belt coming down this way. 1, 2 lines there. And then he's got a little kind of bullet belt. So under here, I'm going to do 1, go across to the right, 2, 3, 4, one behind, 5, and then go to the left of this one, 6, 7, 8, like that. And all of these, they just get blocked along like a secondary belt. Comes along this way. And all of these have got a little sort of bit where they're popped in the belt. So a couple of lines on each one, like that, and this actually goes across onto the belt area itself as well. Nice little bit of detail here. Okay, now I've done that, just go down here, just go down a little bit where the legs are. So it comes down, continues sort of down this way, peters off around here, so just a couple of lines. This side, probably about here, comes in, and the leg comes out, and we'll just go down a little bit there. Midsection of the legs, just a couple of lines. The midsection is probably about there. We've got the leg coming down this way, and then the other one sort of trails off sort of that way there. Cool. On this side, we've got the other holster and end of the gun, so I'm just gonna draw upwards this way, down, across, make that 3D. So another little line here and another one in there. That's all I need to do. On this side, we've got a hand coming up this way, so probably about this point here to here. So up there, just gonna bring a line across. Same thing probably about here, just gonna bring a line across to a wrist area, come out where the hand is, let's draw the first finger, so I think it must go up and around like that. Then the next one sort of comes out this way. We've got another one coming up and around out there. The final one in here, and then he's got a couple of bullets actually on his hand, so we've got a 1 and 2 like that. And then from the back here, we're going to come upwards and draw a thumb area and in. Just join that up there, so we'll draw the palm of his hand here. Maybe there's like a bit of muscular element there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb. Okay, right hand side, we've got the arm. So we're just gonna come up from the side here. We've got a nice curve going down here for his shoulder muscle. That kind of goes in here. It kind of links up a bit there. Then we're gonna come down this way, tricep there, come out to a elbow point. We're gonna come down here now, draw a bicep. Just show the muscle off there. Then the elbow kind of comes down this way, it sort of trails off here, and then hinges to the hand down here, and we can just trail that off there. As we come down here, it comes out where the forearm is and down to the wrist. Then we come out where the thumb area is. Maybe just draw a hint of the thumb there. Then we're just going to trail it off just down at that point there. Maybe just draw a little muscle or two on there. Just a couple of bits of detail now. I think along the back here, we can just draw a nice curve there. So bring your pen around and just draw a couple of curves so it just links up there. There's like a little line here where the vest top is, and that kind of continues down here and down where the trousers are there. So just a nice little line across. Got a belt buckle here. So I'm going to draw a nice wide belt buckle there. A bit in the middle. And this sort of comes out this way. And then a few little creases where the t-shirt is, just a couple of little dinks around there. And then we've got, I guess, just a little bit of a few little areas where it's darker. Just put some hatching in around there. Maybe just at this point here and here. And we'll just give a hint of the tattoos. So he's got tattoos on this arm coming up this way. So just give a little hint of those going on his body. They kind of come down this way. Just give it a little, it can be really loose. You don't have to be really exact. It just gives that nice idea that he's got these little tattoos on him around there. Just in here, let's just draw a few more little bits of cross hatching. There's not a lot of ink stuff to ink in on this one. Maybe a little Adam's apple there. And what I might do is just go around the edge of him, just make him pop a bit. Just give it a nice kind of double hit all around the edges, just makes a big difference. To our character, I think it just makes Midas really pop. Maybe just put it along here. And just in here, there's maybe a couple of pockets. Just a hint in here, just a few little dashes going on. Forehead there. Maybe this part of his hair. That is Outlaw Midas on Art Draw from Fortnite Lawless. Let me know who else to draw next, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.